Hey everybody, it's Reagan Doherty here at Doherty Real Estate Group, back at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market, and I'm here with Sarah. Sarah, say hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So Sarah, tell me a little bit about your business. What do you sell here? What do you do?
So I love crochet. So I have my Instagram and YouTube at Sarah Meets Art, and it's all around crochet plushies, and my YouTube is about learning how to crochet.
Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. So how long have you been doing this?
So my mom taught me when I was in high school. I started with blankets and scarves.
Aww.
And beanies probably as well. And then about a year and a half ago, we found a yarn that was interesting, and my daughter loved it, and she was like, hey, can you make a cactus out of this?
Oh.
We're like, okay. So I made a cactus, and then I fell in love with making little plushies because they are something that you can complete.
Yeah.
And you have an ending, and then I made a child-sized unicorn.
Oh my gosh.
For my kid, or the triceratops, one for each kid. And then we just kind of went from there. And then about August last year, one of my friends reached out. She wanted to buy one of them. I said, sure, why not? And then she said, you can sell them.
Oh, that's so cute.
So then my mom and I started making and selling, and we've been doing that since. And then recently I just started with my YouTube channel doing video lessons, so tutorials, step by step. And then I started making kits.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it comes with all the stuff you need, and the magic circle is started, so it makes it a lot easier for people.
So nice.
Yeah, and then I think with my YouTube channel, it's easy to follow.
Yeah.
I'm a teacher. So,
there you go.
I trade during the days. I'm a full-time middle school art teacher.
Oh,
and
that's
so
awesome.
like those step-by-step tutorials really do help people.
That's awesome. And I know a lot of people, even a lot of my friends, have been starting to get into crocheting. Like, they're bored, they want a hobby other than scrolling on social media. So having these different crochet ideas is amazing. So why crochet? Why not knitting, or why not, other ways to make plushies? Why crochet?
So crochet is one of the only art forms of fiber art that can't be replicated by a machine. So it has to be done by hand, and I think it's just that mental health of really looking and counting and focusing on what you're making. So that's the biggest part. But yeah, going back to the crochet not being able to replicate.
Yeah.
If you do see crochet in like one of the big stores, it could possibly not be ethically sourced if it was really cheap.
Yeah.
Because you do have to pay for all the materials.
Yeah.
And it's hand done, so it's hours and hours of work.
Right, that's crazy. So on average, how long does it take you to make one of these? Maybe one of the smaller
Yeah, so like my whale, I can make in under an hour. If you're starting out, probably an hour and a half.
Yeah.
And then depending on the intensity of the pattern, it could be longer. So my unicorn was about 10 hours.
Wow.
And then my child-sized one, like 2 Netflix series. So,
nice.
So probably closer to 20 hours.
Okay, wow. And I saw some people coming up. Do you do custom orders as well?
I do.
Tell me more about that.
So I can, if you DM me through Instagram, we can take custom orders, and then they can, if you're local, they can be picked up, or I can mail them out with, shipping charges. But I love putting things out there. I have patterns and plushies for sale on my my Etsy as well.
Very cool. Very nice. And what's your favorite thing to make?
Oh, that's hard. I jumped from thing to thing. I don't know that I am I'm gonna always make this.
What's the favorite right now?
Right now, my whales.
Okay,
I think
love
those
it.
are fun. I have some patterns that I'm actually testing right now for other makers.
Cool.
And those have been fun. But yeah, I don't know. I love them all, and I love just being able to have a finished product.
Yeah, I love it. And these are so cute. And in the past 5 minutes, I've seen so many kids come up, and even adults buys them to give as gifts. They're so cute and, like you said, unique. And they can't be made by a machine. So it's really a really special touch as a gift or gift for yourself, whatever.
Right. And I think the crochet kits are helping people kind of explore this craft.
I love it. I love that you offer such a variety here. Now, who do you think is your ideal customer? Who do you want to watch this video and come on down to the market and buy a plushie or a kit?
Oh, okay. So the kits, I feel, are geared towards, probably 12-year-olds to 20-year-olds, or anyone who's like ready to try something new.
Yeah.
The kids little kids have a little bit harder time just because of their hands being able to hold the yarn.
Yeah.
And then of course my plushies are targeted towards kids.
Of course.
However, I feel like my best customers are like mid-20s to mid-30s. So,
okay, very cool.
Everyone loves the plushie.
Yeah, they're cute. They're super cute. Well, anything else that you think people should know so that they come on down here and buy your plushies or your kits? Or watch your videos.
Watch my videos for sure. Definitely. I think the using plush yarn makes these stand out from some of the other crochet items, because the acrylic yarn, I do have a couple, so like my rattles and my hanging plants are more acrylic yarn, but it's not as soft. So these, we use the plush yarn.
Yeah, they're so soft.
So then makes them cuddly and like just lovable. So. And then, like I said, with my YouTube channel, because I have a background in teaching, I really feel that they are well paced and slow enough for a beginner, and also great for those picking up crochet after years.
That's awesome. I love it. So where can people find you other than the Mission Viejo Farmers Market?
Yeah, so I am on all the socials under Sarah Meets Art, and pretty much everything: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, all under that same handle. And then I also have my sarahmeetsart.com website that will take you to all those socials. But I also have my Crafty Gatherings, so craftygatherings.com will take you to more of like my sales pages.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, everyone make sure to check those out. That's where you can find Sarah. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us today, Sarah. I love your plushies, and I'm going to start watching your YouTube videos, maybe take up a little crocheting myself.
Great.
Make sure to come on down here to the Mission Viejo Farmers Market every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and check out all of the awesome plushies and kits we have down here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.